I put a butter in a cake shape and was surprised by the result. In a container, add 3 eggs, 6 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup and a half of sugar, and mix everything very well. Add 2 cups of milk, 3 cups of wet flour, remembering that the cup I'm using has 200 ml. This is the ideal point of the dough. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Stir lightly just for the yeast to incorporate into the dough. So it's perfect. Now just divide the dough into 2 containers. In one part of the dough, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and bulk next door. In other half, add half cup of chocolate powder. In a greased form with butter, add half a pat of butter. Then pour some of the white dough. On top, pour some of the chocolate dough. Keep interspersing like I'm doing in the video. Remove excess the dough from the butter. Then remove the butter and bake at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. To know if the point is correct, just stick a toothpick and if it comes out clean, it's ready. Unstick the sides and also the middle and unmold on a plate. And look how amazing this cake looks. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.